But first, the number of confirmed whooping cough cases continues to climb in Missoula County. The number does keep climbing. An update, though, tonight as Missoula County health officials try to get a handle on a rising number of whooping cough cases impacting schools. There are now 32 confirmed cases across the district. And now Frenchtown School District says it has a student with the sickness. The health department is working to notify those close contacts, as they call them. They say if your student starts to develop symptoms, contact a doctor. If you think you have pertussis, cases are also confirmed in Lolo and Florence school districts.